Hello everyone, I am here with another video. So in this video I will share with you my whole design process thought with you, because when we decide to design, especially as a beginner, mostly times our mind stuck that how we can select colors, how to give their layout, and then how to select elements, fonts and all that. So I will share with you 3 main tips which will help you in your designing process. So must watch full video for complete guideline. Okay, here I designed this landing page of website. I choose Nike brand randomly because it's a big brand and everyone knows it, so you will better understand how you can select the colors, fonts and all these elements. Okay, so first problem which we face about colors are color selections. So here is the solution of color selection. First we will see the brand, what brand identity is showing, what color palette they are using in logos, and what their products showing the emotions and all that. You will see the emotions, and according to that emotions you will select the colors, like friendly colors if they are showing the emotions like friendliness, so you will select the friendly colors, and brighter tones and lighter tones like this. So according to emotion you will select the colors. Okay, here you can see I choose these colors because Nike brand is the brand which is clear, elegant and modern look, so they choose mostly brighter colors to attract the audience. Next step is go to layers. I selected these colors. You can see these colors, so you can take from my Instagram post. I will post there, and also you can select from Google color palette. Okay, in first layer you can see I choose the solid color of lighter tones. So here is the second problem which we face is how we can select our background color. So here is the tip and solution of this problem, that you can select background according to your product or what's your element, that from that you can choose your background. Like if your product or main focus image is in brighter tones, so you can select background in light tones must. So if your product or image focus is in lighter tone, so you must first choose the background in brighter tone. So I choose the lighter tone here because my product is in dark tone. And then secondly I like this, if I am hiding you can see, and then secondly I choose this texture, or if I hide this you can see little bit it's a texture of crunchiness, because it's a shoe online website, so I decided to add something like looks like a road crunchiness, so I added this texture here. You can place any other texture according to your website design website which product you are selling, and you can pick these all images from free websites like freepic.com or Unsplash or pixel.com. it's all free website. You can pick all backgrounds from there, and I also added here effect of overlay because I want little bit its normal image looks like this, something like, and if I remove these hue and saturation which I added, so it's look like this, but I added this here overlay effect because I want a little bit texture of crunchiness, not a darker tone. I added this hue and saturation because it was a lighter tone, a solid color which I added before, but according to Nike brand I added this hue and saturation. It looks better for this brand. That's why I choose this hue and saturation little bit. You can add from here. You can see in layers last, just click here and go to hue and saturation, and from there just click a little bit from this side, so it will add automatically. I don't need this now because I added already, so I removed it. Next is I added this shape. You can see this element of shape because it shows some modernity look. So because I said before that brand is the main identity which according to which you will choose your elements, your color selections and all that. So according to a Nike brand, it's a modern, clear and elegant look, so I decided this element to add. It looks some modern look. And then the shape which I added here, this I give him opacity 50% because it's look cool with it. And then next is I added this Nike brand logo on the background and give him opacity 10%. It's look cool on like it shows identity of brand. So you can whatever your brand logo is, you can add on the background side, so it's look cool. Okay, then I added this rectangular here. I just grab from here rectangular tool, just click and drag. From here just grab rectangular tool, just click and drag like this. And from here you will give it stroke 3% and add color according to brand, that is I also added that brown color. And then from here you can give him that dash lines because it's cool with this design, so you can add according to your design. And then I just pick this direct selection tool and just click here and press backspace because I don't want the hole on that sides. I just want from here to here. Click and drag it here. Same with the here, just click and drag like this. I just copy from here, go to edit, copy and paste here on the opposite direction. Next I added this text here. You can see according to Nike, I just added randomly text Nike Air Max and heels. So I select this font from here, that is Akira expanded because it was good looking with this design, so I decided this font according to brand. So you can choose your font according to brand. So here is the solution of how you can choose your font and here is the tip of about font selection, that you must select maximum 2 fonts in a design and maximum 2 fonts and minimum 1 font. So here I used maximum 2 fonts, not more than 2 fonts. It's our use of fonts and it's look definitely weird, so don't use the fonts. And it's good to go with this. I use this and it's super bold and I used in 19 in size, and I choose this heels color according to product and separated from this Nike brand word. Okay, next is I added this shape on the back side of the product, so you can see as I hiding this, so it's look weird. So element is the most important thing which is using in the design. So select the elements more carefully according to design. So here I choose this because it looks good with that design. And then secondly I choose this PNG. You can select PNG files from Google. I choose from Google. And then this is the brand of Nike logo I added here, and you can select the logo from the brand and add here. So next is here this button looks like, so I added this because it's concept behind in my mind, like this is the main product which is an red shoe, and these are the options which you can choose from this brand. I added here button like looks like because according to human psychology button grab attentions, so I added this concept here. And I just added here some effect, like just right click, go to blending options, and from here you can select bevel and embrace and it's must size 0, so it will add this texture of looks like button. And then add drop shadow, that is 32% I added, but must add below 20 drop shadow because it's good to go like below 20. Don't overuse drop shadow, it's look weird. Okay, then I added this circle here. in lighter tone because our product is in brighter tone. So I added here a text about this product, so you can add the text here about the product, and then I just copy and paste. Okay, next is here I just copy paste all these layers, that is 1 2 3 and 5 layers of these buttons, and added different png files of images. Then I added here an order button and text I choose that is similar to our heading, and but I minimize its size. So I did here order now button. I choose this 7 because it's a 7 year arrival of Nike Air Max heels. So I added just a little bit here and cut here with this. It shows some coolness and modernity too. So I added here on the back, and it shows 7 too. It's showing its complete meaning, and I just remove from here with the brush tool. Here you can add mask, and from brush tool you can remove it. It's simple. Okay, then I added on above like this is the bar that website pages which we see: home page, about us page, and shop now page. So I added this, and because this background is darker tone, so I put this in color lighter tone. I hope you understand the whole design process, and 3 tips will help you a lot in your designing. And if you want more videos like this and explanations, so I will definitely upload more videos like this on this channel, so must subscribe this channel. And till the next video, Allah Hafiz.